Oh, let me just... Team Fortress 2. Oh, that's 280p gaming. That's perfect. I have a French keyboard, so I have to... Hold on. Now I confused myself. Oh my god, I'm actually gonna... Fuck this keyboard. I'm getting an English keyboard. I'm getting an English keyboard. Alright, I found an English keyboard.
I just like to switch up of you saying fuck this keyboard. Let's see.
Above is the French keyboard, then below is the English keyboard. That's gonna do it. I don't know if it's English US. Okay, it's British.
Not the British, no!
No, it's not Z! Alright, now let me yeet my keyboard.
Are you ready for a normal, casual TF2?
My body is ready. Yeah! You got a little dog on your shoulder.
Conga! Conga!
Oh my god, Conga!
You can disable voice chat, by the way, if you don't want them to keep saying Conga.
Conga! I found the exit, I escaped! Boys! I have a big gun in my hand. My godly aim, my godly aim. I'm taking a little skinny dip.
A little bath in the sewers.
Am I supposed to be there? Intelligence. I want to become intelligent. Okay.
I think that's a friendly. Oh, I saw Spy. How do you feel playing as the slowest class right now, though?
Oh, is that the slowest? Okay.
Yeah, it's the heavy.
Die!
I just like how you sound when playing TF2. You just sound like the brickiest brick.
I'm sniping with my minigun.
I switched classes now, so you won't have a medic stuck up your ass.
Hey, yo, Frenchman! It's like me. It's a me reference. You know what? I'm gonna become annoying.
Your scouts.
Boys. Kill.
I'm gonna join you in the scout war.
Oh! Run 25 kilometers. I am so buff.
Look at my fish.
Le fiche au chocolat.
Press G. We high-fived.
Yo, that's cool. Now let's kill some people. Oh, wait. My brain went mush.
Your brain just went the animal mode. Niki, don't run away. Where you running?
I killed one person. I am happy. Oh, these are some big fists. Yo.
I got half the team to do it.
You're crazy. I'm moonwalking. I am Michael Jackson.
I'm gonna throw a sandwich at you.
How do people keep up with this game? It's way too fast. Maybe I'm too Biden for this.
Too Biden. Niki, look behind you.
Bonjour, oui. Are you preparing some croissant and baguettes?
What? I don't have a head anymore. There's this blue guy with us. This scout just ignored us.
If it gets enough views, I will force you to make another TF2 video.
If we get 2 likes. Oh, le monkey. Why are you laughing? Let's be French.
I feel so much more French now.
We have to just do this.
Opens the door, please.
Why do I sound so sassy?
Nobody is doing rock, paper, scissors with me. I'm sad.
Rock, paper, scissors. This game sucks.
We have got 7 spies. We are so screwed.
I'm clicking! Okay, I successfully got a kill. Oh, you're my next prey. You are a sniper again.
Get killed. I think being French gives me an advantage.
But there's controversial weapon, but I'm also...
Merde!
Scheiße! No, that's not French. That's not French. My bad.
Warum scheiße? Du bist nicht mal Deutsch.
Was ist das? Sorry, let me become French again.
Oui.
Oui, baguette. Friendly Doggo is dominating Niki. Hey, yo, I wish.
Okay, what is your plan, Spy? Bro's just decloaking right next to me and trying to kill me.
No.
That's 3 cookies, you can eat them.
Play solitaire like an ace.
Click on continue on the
Let's
bottom
play
right.
solitaire.
No.
I'm gonna play solitaire.
Niki.
Ooh, that's solitaire. Okay, let's play. Oh, my game crashed.
Niki.
Look, you don't understand.
You can play solitaire at any other time.
I am never playing this game again. Actually, I could play this game again. It's actually fun. I'm not gonna lie.